Hello guys, in previous video we have discussed about some of the locators, and in this video today we will discuss about some more locators, and we'll see how we can perform action on the elements by using these locators today. Okay, let's start. So as we have come across that in Selenium there are totally 8 type of locators. We have already seen by tag name, by .id, by .name, by .class name. And today we will discuss by .linkText, by partiallinkText, and by cssSelector. And by .xpath is one of the important locator in Selenium. So we will have 1 or 2 hours session for the XPath itself. So today we will discuss 3 locators, that is those are by .linkText, by partiallinkText, and by cssSelector. Okay guys, let's see. So guys, we will see the linkText locator today. The syntax for that linkText locator is driver dot find element by linkText the text. Then if you want to perform any action on that, then you can perform, that is .click. Okay, and out of 8 locators, both linkText and partiallinkText can be used only to locate the link. Okay, if you have a link, then only you can perform any action by using these 2 locators, not on any other element. Only on the link we can perform the actions by using these locators. So let's see. Yes, we have created our own web page, sample one. So we'll see here, double click. So open the sample web page. So first copy this URL, Control C. Okay guys, I will open Notepad. I will copy this link, then so now inspect this link element. Okay, so we have got this code. Just copy this outer HTML. Hope you guys know how to inspect the element. So I copied. Again I'll paste this on Notepad. So this is the code. What we'll do, we use the syntax of linkText locator. So here we will type that linkText locator driver dot find element by linkText, then the text. Here in this code we have AvinTech is the code. So what we will do, we will write AvinTech text. Okay, this is the syntax for linkText locator. Okay, so by using this locator, we'll see. I just copied this code, go to Eclipse. Now we will create a script for this. I'll give name as example 6. So I'll select this main method, finish. So please guys, every time write static block so that you can remember the code easily and forever also. So static block, under that system clause dot set property. So the key is driver dot Chrome dot driver, then current driver path, driver Chrome driver dot exe. See, I have set the path now. Then open the browser. So this is the code for opening the browser. So just import the Chrome driver from the Selenium package. So now what I will do, the URL driver dot get, right? Oh, actually we have to copy this, Control C, Control V. Okay guys, now I will find the element driver dot find element by dot link text, and the text is AvinTech. So I want to perform an action on that link. So dot click. I'll write a single line of code. We are finding that element, and even though we are performing the click action. Okay, now run this code. See guys, so we have seen how this link text locator pop up. The same thing for the partial link text. Okay, so partial link text, for the partial link text, the syntax is driver dot find element by dot partial link text, and the partial text of that the main text. Okay, so usually we come across this situation where we are having a link. In that link, some part or partial link will be keep on changing. See, in inbox 123 number will be keep on changing whenever you are getting a new mail. Even the same thing as Facebook notifications and messages. If you get new messages and all, there that in that link the number will be keep on changing. So in that such cases, which is a dynamically changing its value, that time we will go for partial linked text. So what we will do here, we take consider only the inbox text here, that is which is partially, then we'll text whether that element is whether we are able to perform action on that link or not. Okay, so in that kind of situation we go for partial linked text. Now let's see. So here we use partial linked text. So out of this full text I use only tag. Easy guys. So now let's see. Okay, done guys. So this is the partial link text locator. Easy. I will close this manually. Now we go for next locator, that is CSS locator. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. In HTML we have seen the CSS will be used for the sake of style purpose. I mean to say, if you want to design a page with a different color, then you have to go for css selector. And if you want to have a good font styles, if you want to change the font style and all, then you have to go for css selector. Okay, so in Selenium, css selector is also one of the locator. Usually in HTML it is used for coloring purpose, to use color codes and to design a page systematically, like with good font style, with good coloring system and all. So they go for cascading style sheet selector. Okay, here in Selenium the syntax for css selector is by dot css selector, tag name, then attribute name, then value. Please do concentrate on the double inverted comma and single inverted comma here, which is little different than other locators values. Okay, and one of the important note here that css selector does not support text in HTML. Okay, okay guys, let's move. See, we have seen here A is tag, ID is attribute name is attribute name, class is attribute name, X, Y, Z are attribute values, href is attribute name, and the link is attribute value, and AvinTech is a text here. So for the above code, what we do, we write a CSS selector syntax, that is driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. And we have seen, first we need to write tag name. So here tag name is A, then attribute value. What we'll do, I'll take ID attribute, then attribute value in single inverted comma, so I'll take that attribute value also, then finish. Okay guys, if you want to perform one more action, then you go for click. Easy. I'll copy this code, Ctrl C, then I'll go for Eclipse. Here I will change whole this line. Please you guys write a code in new class. Okay, here I will modify in this program only. So driver element, I will copy. All right, guys. Okay, now I will run this code. Open the browser, enter the URL, click on that link. Easy, done. I'll close this manually. Now see, you go for that code. Here we have seen that CSS selector does not support text. Here text is AvinTech. Let's see what will happen if we use text in CSS selector. Same thing. Attribute name is text and attribute value is AvinTech here, right? Easy guys. So I will copy this code. Written code. Yeah. So what I will do, I'll just replace that code. Here what we are doing, we are using text as an attribute name here. Let's see. Open the browser, enter the URL. As we know, Eclipse, it executes line by line code, so there is no problem in opening the browser, there is no problem in entering the URL, but the problem is finding the element. So what exception we have got here? Let's see. We have got no such element exception. Okay guys, please do remember this point, this note, that CSS selector does not support text. Even though if you use text as an attribute in CSS selector locator, then you will get no such element exception because CSS selector does not support text. It supports ID, name, class, everything, but never supports text. Okay. This is the program for that CSS selector. Okay. Sometimes if you want to check CSS selector exception, please do follow these steps, guys. Just open the web page and just click F12. So press F12, then Control plus F, then you will get a search box there. Then you can type your CSS selector, then automatically it will highlight the source code in HTML. Okay. Next. So guys, we have seen 7 locators till now, and in next video we will see the one of the major locator and one of the important concept for the interview purpose is XPath locator, which is very important from the interview point of view, even though for the finding the element point of view also. So in next video we will see the locator XPath. Okay guys, take care, see you soon, bye bye.